Hi Biddies, welcome to another rendition of Broke Gambling Biddies. Today we're trying Railroad Riches. We're doing 5-cent denominator and we're doing $3.75 with that. We have $50 in the machine. Let's see what we can win. Do you guys think that we can pop it off? Okay, $8.75 back. Now we're looking for not just three, we're looking for 6 of these gold coins to be able to trigger the bonus. Oh, that would have been too good. I was like, oh my gosh. Well, one can only hope. Ooh, my lanterns. Come on, make it good. Make it coins. Coins. Give me coins. Oh. Yay, we got the coin bonus, everyone. Yay! Now we've been having a really rough go these last few times here in the casino. Hopefully this is a good win. Come on, make it good. I always forget this one. I haven't played this one in a while. So let's see what the bonus is. Okay. So we get 3 spins, press play, here we go. That is really loud. Oh, yay. Okay, what does this mean? Ooh, and we get another tree. Oh, that just makes, okay. Oh, we qualify for the major jackpot. Come on, one time. Oh, and it makes it go up higher. Yay! Oh my gosh, get the heck out of here. So every time it increments it? Okay, what did we get? Oh, wait, we got the blue tree. What does that mean? I don't know. Wow, okay. Come on. Time. Okay. Wow, okay. Come on, Mr. Train. Oh. Okay. Can we get one more? Let's get one more. Last spin. Oh, so close. Okay. That's a pretty good bonus, I think. Maybe. I don't know. Yay. We'll take it. Yay. We got some money back there. Woohoo. It's not a major, but I think it's more than a mini. We won 1,975 nickels, which comes down to, I don't know. I'm really not that great at math right now. Let's see. $98. Yay. Okay, so should we do one more backup spin? Let's do it just in case. Okay, last one. Hopefully we'll get that one time that you gotta feel it. It's electric. All right, well, let's see what we can do with this 138. Okay, guys, wish us luck. Stay tuned.